Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'll admit it, I kind of miss Starbucks. So I thought I would try to be my own barista and make myself some sort of iced coffee concoction. I don't know what you'll need to make this yet because I'm making it up as I go, but I will insert my exact dish recipe into the description box. Let's get started.
All right, so you're gonna start off with some really strong coffee, like half a pot, and then I put some sugar in that, and then I put that in the fridge to cool off. And then I turned that coffee into some ice cubes, which was going just fine, and then, someone decided to help me.
B,
Yeah.
want a secret?
No.
Just pour it in one spot. Trust me.
Well, already a lot of good that did. All right, so I've got my coffee cubes, and I'm gonna put some of them into the blender. Next, I'm gonna take some of my sugar coffee concoction. I'm gonna take some almond milk. And some vanilla extract. And I'm gonna blend it. Give a little taste test. Not gonna lie, that could use more sugar. Maybe more coffee. And heck, more vanilla. Let's blend that up. Give that a test. That's better. Is it as good as Starbucks? No. Does it kind of make me miss Starbucks more? Yeah. But it'll do. For more disappointing recipes, please like, subscribe, comment what we would like me to try next, and maybe it'll be more successful. Anyway, have a great day. Hope to see you again soon.